The world has watched Amy Slayton rise from reality TV obscurity to a household name through years of personal challenges, emotional turbulence, and dramatic transformation. Now, in a stunning turn of events, the beloved star of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters is making headlines for something refreshingly poised. Amy Slayton has officially made it big, not just in terms of personal growth but with a major career win that has fans cheering and critics stunned. And she's not doing it alone. Hand in hand with her new boyfriend Brian, Amy is stepping into an exciting new chapter that's already sending shock waves through the entertainment industry. The internet lit up this week when Amy posted a vibrant carousel of photos on her social media, showing off her radiant smile, glowing skin, and a brand new lifestyle many didn't see coming. The big reveal: Amy Slayton has inked a lucrative brand deal with a national clothing retailer to promote size-inclusive fashion, a bold career move that not only celebrates her body-positive image but also places her in a fresh spotlight as a rising influencer. Her fans have long championed her honesty and vulnerability, but this marks the first time Amy is being recognized not just for who she is, but for the power she holds as a brand and cultural voice. This isn't just an endorsement, it's a milestone. Sources close to Amy say the partnership could be worth six figures, a staggering jump for someone who once struggled to afford basic household items during early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters. The news comes at a time when Amy is actively carving out a new life away from past pain and public scrutiny. And it's clear she is ready to evolve into more than just a reality star. TLC producers were reportedly stunned by the level of attention Amy's latest project has received online, sparking rumors that the next season of 1000 LB Sisters may be heavily focused on Amy's new path in the whirlwind Roman. Say she shares with boyfriend Brian. The couple, who have been linked together for months, recently moved in together after quietly spending increasing amounts of time as a unit. Brian, a blue-collar guy with a quiet charm and loyal streak, has been described by insiders as the rock Amy never knew as he needed. Friends say he is fiercely protective of her and has been cheering her on behind the scenes, encouraging her to go after brand deals, media interviews, and a new, independent identity. He's not in it for the fame, one friend shared anonymously. He genuinely wants to see Amy succeed and feel respected for her own talents. She's glowing around him. Amy's glow is impossible to miss. In behind-the-scenes footage from a recent promotional shoot, she walks with new confidence, laughing with crew members, commanding the camera in a way that FLS earned. She's not the same woman America met in season 1. After 2 pregnancies, a heartbreaking divorce, and a mountain of health struggles, Amy has emerged stronger, more grounded, and fiercely determined to control her narrative. Her sons, Gage and Glenn, remain her top priority, and insiders confirm that Amy's new home includes thoughtful space for the boys, designed to give them stability and love. But motherhood hasn't dulled her ambition, in fact, it's fueling it. Amy's boys are watching her become a boss, said a source familiar with the shoot. She wants them to grow up knowing their mom chased dreams and never let life break her spirit. The career milestone comes amid growing interest in Amy's potential solo projects. Industry executives have reportedly approached her about launching a YouTube talk show focused on single motherhood, plus-size fashion, and mental health. There's also talk of a possible memoir in the works, one that would pull back the curtain on what it was really like growing up with Tammy Balin. Seeing family fame with private trauma, and discovering her own worth. Fans say Amy has always had star power, but this is the first time she's been truly positioned to shine. For Amy herself, the journey hasn't been easy. She's spoken openly about the emotional toll of her marriage to ex-husband Michael Halterman, including moments of neglect, miscommunication, and loneliness. After filing for divorce, Amy admitted she wasn't sure how to start over. "I didn't know if I could do anything on my own," she once confessed on the show. "I didn't feel pretty, I didn't feel smart, I felt like I failed." But now, Amy isn't just surviving, she's thriving. With the backing of major sponsors, a swelling fan base, and a supportive partner by her side, she's living proof that even the most unlikely stories can end in triumph. Social media has exploded with support, with fans calling her an inspiration and praising her glow up. "This is the Amy we always believed in," one commenter wrote. She's finally stepping into her power. Amy's rise is also a reminder that success doesn't always come in conventional packages. She's not a size zero model or a polished influencer with corporate training. She's raw, real, and willing to show the ugly parts, and that authenticity is her greatest strength. As other reality stars flame out under the weight of scandals or vanish into obscurity, Amy is leveraging her fame into something lasting. Meanwhile, Amy and Brian continue to keep their relationship grounded despite the growing attention. They've been spotted enjoying simple outings, grocery runs, local diner dates, trips to the park with the boys. Their low-key chemistry is winning fans over, many of whom say Brian is exactly the energy Amy needs. Gone are the days of shouting matches and awkward silences. Brian, say insiders, listens when Amy talks and supports her dreams rather than dismissing them. He's been by her side at key business meetings and reportedly even helped negotiate the brand deal that's now redefining her public image. Amy's journey is now being studied by PR experts as a case study in image rehabilitation and female empowerment. She turned pain into power, one publicist noted. What Amy Slayton has done in the last 6 months is nothing short of remarkable. The Slayton family has always been complicated, layered with sibling rivalries, health scares, and emotional breakdowns. But for once, it seems Amy is stepping out of the shadows and into the spotlight on her own terms. Tammy Slayton, her sister and frequent co-star, is said to be supportive of Amy's new success, though sources note that Tammy is also feeling the pressure to reclaim her own space in the spotlight. As both sisters find new footing in their personal lives, fans are bracing for what could be the most transformational season of the show yet. For now, Amy isn't focused on competition or gossip. She's focused on growth. In a recent live stream, when asked what keeps her motivated, she simply smiled and said, "I want to show my boys what it means to be proud of who you are." And that, perhaps, is the real win. Whether she's modeling inclusive fashion, filming with TLC, or just laughing with Brian over home-cooked meal, Amy Slayton is reminding the world that success doesn't have a size. It has a soul, and hers is finally being seen. This isn't just a career high, it's a life reset. And Amy Slayton, once underestimated, is now unstoppable. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.